988, the number people call when they're in a mental health crisis or just need a trained person to talk to, is one of the top ways to get help in a quick and accessible way.
You've reached the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. Para español, marque el número 2. If you are a veteran or service member or are calling about one, press 1. To connect to support for LGBTQI+ youth and young adults, press 3. Otherwise, to talk with a counselor, stay on the line or press 0.
Lee Flynn with the hotline says calls to 988 are currently routed based on area code, which means people with an Idaho area code are connected to the Idaho Crisis and Suicide Hotline. The hotline sees calls for various issues, such as mental health struggles, life changes, and more.
There are warning signs and that might point to a person that they might be struggling and that we might want to pay attention. And some of those warning signs that are specific to suicide are, it's really critical that, anytime any of us are talking to somebody we know, if they're talking about killing themselves, that should always be taken seriously.
Flynn says knowing the risk factors and warning signs are important. She also says connection with our peers and community can help drastically when it comes to our mental health. Anyone can call or text 988 for any kind of emotional distress, not just for suicidal ideation.